Welcome to our lesson about configurations. As we mentioned in a previous chapter in this course, SOLIDWORKS creates two default configurations for weldment parts. They are as machined and as welded. Let's double-click on the as welded configuration. Now let's suppress Cut Extrude 1. And back to the Configurations tab, let's return to the As Machined configuration. Now let's right-click on the cut list and update. As you see, in the As Machined configuration, SOLIDWORKS creates three different cut list folders. For this model, SOLIDWORKS has grouped matching bodies in three different folders. In the first folder, we've got the 4 vertical structural members that you see highlighted now. In the second folder, we have the 7 horizontal structural members without cuts. The last folder contains our 5 horizontal structural members that do have cuts. Now let's return to the As Welded configuration. Here we've only got 2 cut list folders. The first folder contains the 4 vertical structural members. And let's check out the second. It contains 12 horizontal structural members. And this concludes our lesson about configurations.